Hi guys, and welcome to Cardboard World. In today's video we're going to be discussing how we can make this iconic prop from the movie Infinity Wars. This is the Infinity Glove that is used by the movie's main villain Thanos, and I've seen the prices for the ones that are available for us to buy on retail stores, and they range up to like $1,000. This one I've spent not more than $10 and it looks pretty good. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process how you can make this glove for yourself. So in order to make the glove, basically what I've done is that I've used a simple construction glove that fits my hand perfectly. This is going to be for the left hand as per the movie. So secondly, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be connecting a set of LEDs which I have connected as per the sequence of the glove. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and connect the LED lights on the glove using hot glue, keeping in mind that you need to remember the schedule and remember the placement of each infinity stone. Okay, now we have the LEDs connected and we can move towards the second part of the build. Now we're going to be using the cardboard to give it a hard look as if it's a real piece of armor. So what I'm doing is that I'm cutting small pieces of cardboard that will be connected on top of the glove, and in order to do that, once again we're going to be using the hot glue. Okay, so now we're going to be starting off with two small oval pieces of cardboard with a hole in the middle, connected on top of each other and then connected to the surface of the glove. Now the reason why I have used two pieces, both of them with the hole inside, is to make sure that there's a little bit of space in between the LED light and the infinity stone, just to show that the infinity stone has been embedded on the surface of the glove. Okay guys, now we're going to be moving towards the fingers. We're going to be cutting out 3 strips per finger for this particular purpose, and we're going to shape them in a circular way so they can go over the fingers quite easily. We're going to be using hot glue to connect this to the glove, keeping in mind that we're going to be using 3 strips per finger. Once they're connected with the hot glue, we're going to use a piece of tape to make sure that the hot glue and the cardboard are connected properly. So we're going to be repeating this process for all 4 fingers and the thumb. So this is how it is. You can see it's all done for all the fingers. Now it's time to put some detail on our glove. So we're going to be using thin black foam, and we're going to be applying it on top of each and every joint that is visible on the glove, just to make it more smooth. Once that is done, we're going to be moving towards the other parts of the glove, and we're going to make sure that we cover each and every part, including the patterns as per the actual glove seen in the movies. So guys, now it's time to move towards the upper part of the glove. This part covers the forearm, and we're going to be using 2 flat sheets of cardboard that will go side by side on each side, and we're going to be connecting it to our primary glove. Okay, once that is done, we will make sure these are hot glued properly. So once again, I'm going to be trying out the glove. I'm just going to see if everything is fine and I'm able to move my hand properly. I'm just going to be using another piece of cardboard now to have it on top of the piece that was applied before, just to make sure that there is this clear surface on top. So once I apply foam on top of it, there are no bumps underneath. I have made out holes for the infinity stones. This pretty much looks very nice now. I'm going to be using black foam, and what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be cutting out small scales. Once again, 3 on each side. And we're going to be hard gluing it on top of the finger. This will give it the pure armor look, as you can see. Now we're going to be moving towards the details. We're going to be cutting them out, and we're going to be using black foam to make out these details. I'm sure guys, you're not going to be able to see any detail right now, but once we paint it, you would be able to see out the details that I'm going to be making on these. So the details will be visible quite nicely. Okay guys, so you can see that I've completed all the details on the Infinity Gauntlet, and each and every piece has been placed and hot glued properly. Now we're ready for paint. So I applied golden paint on top of my glove. I haven't cut out the infinity stones yet. I'm sure they're lit inside, but I would have to cut them out for the lights to be emitted out. That's my little girl. She's wondering what daddy's doing. Okay, so we're going to be moving towards the other part where we're going to be using a blade to cut out the infinity stones, and then we're going to be hot gluing the infinity stones on top of the glove. And also we're going to be using a bronze polish. Okay guys, so this is the final look. As you can see, when I turn on the lights, it looks absolutely amazing. And the best part is that I've used a bronze polish on top of the gold paint that I've used a spray paint, a regular spray paint, and it gives a fabulous shiny look on the foam. And the bronze polish at the end of the day gives it a metallic look. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this bad boy. Fits perfectly fine, looks amazing. I'm pretty much happy with this build. Guys, I'm going to show you how it looks. I don't think the camera does justification with the way it looks, so I'm just going to turn off the lights and show you how it looks when the lights are off. Wow, this is really going to turn some heads at the premiere. The good thing is that I was able to catch Karl on Comic-Con, and we were able to get his signature on top of my glove. Unfortunately, he didn't let me film him for the whole process, but I got the signatures. And also got a selfie with my kid with Karl. How cool is that? Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Do let me know if there are any questions that you have for me. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much once again.